When you use paint in the art room, you are going to take one whole bin, a paint station. Inside this bin has all of the colors you will need. Red, yellow, blue, ultramarine, white, and black. To get other colors, you'll have to mix. You won't be painting directly out of this tray. You will be using these popsicle sticks to take a small amount of paint and not drop it in the bin like that. So by taking red and yellow, I'll be able to make an orange color on my mixing tray. From here, I will use my paintbrush until I get the desired color I am looking for. And now I will be able to use that in a painting. When you are finished using your paint tray, you will wash at the sink your paintbrush and your tray, leaving no paint behind, especially inside the bristles of your brush. Then, to put my bin away, my paint station, you need to make sure that this closes tightly, pushing down on all four corners and all four sides until you hear the entire bin click closed.